Everyone wants to reduce their expenses. Everyone has their own method of saving money. Whether it is by depriving yourself of that $10 pizza once a week or delaying that exotic family vacation. These are 5 effective ways of saving money. First, save first, then spend. First, pay yourself. This is the part that leads to financial freedom. Apply the 50-30-20 flexibility budgeting method. This indicates that 50% of your take-home money is spent on necessities, things like bills, food, and minimum debt payments. 30% is spent on enjoyment, dining out, for example, and 20% is set aside for future needs. When money is tight, you can change the ratio if this split does not work for you. 2. Stay on track. Don't let money leave your hands. Prepaid cards like Monzo and TransferWise only allow you to spend the money you load. With digital bank Monzo, you can transfer a specific amount of spending money to your card. Too advanced, create a daily checking account with a debit card and deposit your weekly disposable income. Number 3, weather the storm. If the current crisis has taught us anything, is the importance of a rainy day fund. If yours has taken a battling recently or you never really had one, start saving. Anything is better than nothing. The rule of thumb is to have 3 months income saved for emergency. Ideally, 6 if you have a mortgage. 4. Avoid sales bogus. How often have you entered a store and been duped by BOGOV, that's buy one get one free offer? All of us have done it. We are distracted by the options to save money that we see on the shelves when we go to do the monthly groceries shopping. But did you know that the average UK resident spends about 1,300 more annually than necessary on all these sales offers? These offers not only cost you a lot of money but may also contribute to food wastage because you spend money buying 3 bottles of Coke when you only need one. Therefore, the next time you go shopping, figure out how much you could save by avoiding sales using the calculator on your phone. Number 5, which is the last, is keep tabs on your spending. You are less prompt to overspending if you are more aware of your spending to keep track of all your accounts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.